Many things in life will scream when you drop them, but a gaming controller might be the last thing that might come to your mind to do the same. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The Steam controller has an Easter egg that lets it make a Wilhelm scream when it's dropped. The secret was discovered by Reddit user. The Steam controller lacks a traditional built-in speaker, so it simulates the classic scream using haptic motors. The Redditor behind this review posted the discovery and captioned it, "Do whatever you want with this information. I just feel like I needed to share this ASAP." The Easter egg appears to have a timeout period. Commenters on the Reddit thread said that if you drop the controller, it takes about 1 minute to reset. However, it won't always cry out in agony even outside of that window. As more users discovered the thread, enthusiasm grew for pulling their $99 gamepads in the air and letting go. One user commented, "So many people thinking about dropping their controllers right now." But many didn't believe this trick, and not everyone bought it right away. As one commented, "Can't tell if Easter egg or put your iPhone in the microwave to charge it trolling." But if you want to test it, fortunately, the trick doesn't require a hard surface. You can try it out on something soft like a bed or a pillow. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.